Hi everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 12 Plus and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system, and here we've got on the third position date and time, so let's enter. And here we've got a lot of options to customize. First of all, you can decide if you want to use the automatic date and time zone, or if you want to set it manually. In order to set it manually, just tap on those switchers. And here we've got the date, time and time zone options active, so we can just tap on it, for example on a date, and from this calendar we can choose the date we want to use. Of course you can change the year also. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see it is immediately applied. So the same situation will be of course with the time. Just choose the time you want to use, tap on OK, it is immediately applied, and it also appears on the status bar. What's more, we can change the time zone, but here I've got the warning: if you will change the time zone, then the time will be also changed according to the time zone. So let me show you. For example, let's tap on the time zone. Here we've got the list, so let's find the one you want to use. For example, this one. Just tap on it, and as you can see, the time has been changed according to the time zone. So here we've got more options to customize. For example, we can choose the clock format. Now we are using 24-hour format. In order to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the status bar. Here we can also choose the date format. Just tap here, and here we've got some options to choose from. So let me pick, for example, this one, and it is also immediately applied. What's more, here we've got the travel mode, so we will have both clocks from the location you're currently at, and the time from your home actually. So let's turn it on. Let's tap on the travel mode, and as you can see here we have to set the home time zone, so we can tap on it and search for the cities. So for example, I want to set the maybe the Paris as my home. Okay, let's tap on it, and as you can see, it immediately appears right here, and from now on this clock will be visible on our home page. So now, in order to get back to all previous settings, just tap on those switchers to use 24-hour format, to use automatic time zone and automatic date and time. So that's all. This is how to change date and time in your HTC Desire 12 Plus. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.